Good day. I'm Christine Camille Reyes, and I'm a graduate of BS Pharmacy from Philippine Women's University. I'm 23 years old, and I'm from Catanawan, Quezon. I belong to the top 10 board passers in the pharmacy licensure examination. I applied in the Philippine General Hospital as one of the leading providers of healthcare services in the Philippines. With that experiences, I developed a lot of skills, which is to ensure the proper weighing, measuring, and dispensing of proper medications as prescribed by the doctor, psychiatrist, and dentist. I also learned how to supervise and handle the purchase of medications and consulted my patients regarding the proper use of medications to avoid errors. With these experiences, I strongly believe that I have the capability to participate in your organization as a responsible and effective pharmacist for the benefit of mankind. Thank you.